Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so the calibration works. Backup data and confirm current battery percent and health. Once done, plug in the original charger and charge to 100% while the device is idle. Make sure background apps are closed and screen is off. Keep the device at room temperature around 20-25 degrees to avoid thermal stress. Update the operating system and firmware now, so the battery controller has the latest management routines before continuing to the next step. You now perform the recalibration. Use the device until it naturally shuts down at 0.1%. Do not force reboot. Once off, charge it uninterrupted to 100% and then leave it plugged in for about 2 hours to saturate the pack and let the controller learn full capacity. After that cycle, go into System Settings or the Diagnostic tool and reset battery statistics, or run the built-in calibration utility so the software re-estimates capacity. This helps you finish by stabilizing settings that maintain the new calibration. Enable optimized charging features or set a max charge of 80-90% if your goal is long-term health. Otherwise, keep 100% for immediate peak capacity. Make sure to avoid high temperatures and heavy use while charging. If the system still reports lower health, repeat the full discharge/charge cycle once more, and then run the vendor diagnostic tool. That single troubleshooting tip often corrects stubborn reporting errors without hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.